Now we will see another function, PLSR. So this function, also another pulse function, we can see its name is pulse ramp. So for more detail, you can check the manual. This is not too much difficult. Just what we have here. We have maximum frequency and number of pulse and acceleration, deceleration, and last one D. This one is output. Just what we have is extra more than PLSY. This one is acceleration, deceleration. In PLSY, we cannot give acceleration and deceleration here, there, but here we can give also acceleration and deceleration here. Other thing is working same to PLSY function, no problem. This is one small program here. Again, just need to change this M5 for me. I think this was Y5. Yes. Okay. Then go online here. And from my DTools also what I have here. This is my function. This one's my function here. And I have one servo on, one for direction, and one for the function what I have here. I have pulse number, I have a pulse frequency, I have ramp up time. This one is time. And what I have, another thing is here, this is this memory. If we on this memory, we can give a start stop frequency and also a ramp up and down separately. When this one is off, acceleration and deceleration time is both same to this parameter here, with this register here. I already make go to online. So now I can give example 5 rotation, 10,000, sorry, 10,000, and speed. So pulse frequency I can give not so much. Just I want to show you rotation first. Okay. This is my motor on servo now. One rotation is better. We'll make one rotation, direction change already. This is same to PLSY. 5 rotation, and what I need now, I will increase the speed. So the ramp up time, this now is 2 seconds. I can change to 1 second. This is with milliseconds here. And pulse frequency should be more than start and stop frequency. I will make this, and ramp time we will see. It's better make more. So now you can see here we have acceleration and deceleration time again. So I will make a little bit time more, 2 seconds. So you can see in 2 second we have acceleration and deceleration now. And again I will show you with the speed of the motor. Now you can see speed how it's increasing slowly, and when it stop again, decreasing by the acceleration. Okay, what if we on this memory here, and we can also give another time. Example, I want to quickly stop and I want to make acceleration and start frequency. Okay, one time I will give 0 for understanding this function. I can make now why is not moving for this frequency. Yes, because of 0 I increase speed for understanding. Now my speed is 1500, okay, but stop, you can see we have acceleration but we don't have deceleration time, because deceleration time when we on this memory is very small. Quickly stopping, make 5 seconds for so again I will show speed. Why I'm showing speed? Now you can see now it's starting from so frequency of 100. I will increase this to 1000. You can see the starting frequency now is from another value, not from the 100 again. So I cannot increase this part more than my pulse frequency. Always should be less. I will increase first this one, and this I can make 5000. Again, now you can see the starting frequencies more than 100, 1000, more than 1000. So for this memory we need now I will increase my ramp. So one time I will give 5 seconds for deceleration, and I will give very small time, not 1 second, just half second for starting, for ramping up. Now you can see starting is without acceleration, and stopping, but I have deceleration, and this becomes too much here. You can see stopping, you can see again by the speed, stopping speed, you can see. So what is the end of this function? First, PLSR function. This one is the name is, I will completely show you, pulse ramp. So we have ramp up and ramp down speed, and so we can change acceleration and deceleration for pulse for the servo drive speed. So what we have there, maximum frequency. So this is same to PLSY, so frequency number, frequency speed, and number of the pulse, how many rotation we need, and also we have acceleration, deceleration. If we don't on this memory, this you can see from the manual. So our ramp up and ramp down, so acceleration deceleration is same. If we on this one, we can separate ramp up and ramp down, acceleration and deceleration. And we have also another start and stop frequency, because sometimes we need not start from zero, so start from some frequency, or stop from our speed to another frequency. For this we need this function here.